the right order: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And this session is dedicated to the listening skill. What is the importance of listening skills? Listening skill inni important kyun hai? Why? Look, God has given us 2 ears and 1 mouth. That means God also plans for us that we should hear more and speak less. सानू listening ज़्यादा करनी चाहिए ना कि speaking. Whereas in the real life, what we do is we speak more than we listen. और English improvement वास्ते भी ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ਅਸੀਂ English ਦੀ listening करिए ताकि साडी speaking improve होवे. Because there are 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing. 2 input skills हैं. केड़े listening and reading. और output skills
speaking and writing.
और अगर तुसी listening and reading करोगे then your speaking will automatically improve, and we can speak well only if we listen well. So listening skill is very important. You have to develop this skill. You have to master this skill if you want to master speaking in English.
Listening तो वैसे भी मैम किते भी करनी होवे, कोई भी अपना सब्जेक्ट है, जिन्नी देर तुसी टीचर दी सुनोगे नहीं, समझोगे नहीं, उन्नी देर अपा आउटपुट poor होए.
This lesson is not for only English classroom. It is for the life. जिंदगी ਦਾ ਇਹ ਲੈਸਨ ਹੈ. ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਪੈਰੈਂਟਸ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਗਾਈਡ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂਟਰਸ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਿਸਨ ਕਰੋਗੇ and then speak according to their instructions and their guidance, then definitely you will be successful in life.
ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ 2 ਗੱਲਾਂ ਹੈ. ਇੱਕ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੀ hearing, one is listening. So there is a difference between these two. Hearing ਕੀ ਹੈ? Hearing it is mechanical. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸੁਣਨ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ that is hearing. It involves just the ears. Listening ਕੀ ਹੈ? It is focused effort to understand meaning of what we hear. So listening is a little more than hearing. Hearing ਤਾਂ ਖੜਕਾ ਹੋਇਆ, that is hearing. ਤੇ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਖੜਕਾ ਸੀ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਹਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੀਗੀ, then you are listening you are more attentive to that.
Okay.
So attention, focused attention ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ, that is listening. Involuntary, it just happens because you have ears and you have ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਨ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਹੈ, ears ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਇਨਵੋਲੰਟਰੀ ਹੈ. ਜੋ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆਏਗੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣੋਗੇ.
ਮਤਲਬ ਕੋਈ ਐਫਰਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ,
ਕੋਈ ਐਫਰਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ. ਵੋਲੰਟਰੀ ਇਜ਼ ਡਨ ਕੌਨਸ਼ੀਅਸਲੀ. ਯੂ ਲਿਸਨ ਟੂ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡ, ਯੂ ਲਿਸਨ ਟੂ ਰਿਪਲਾਈ, ਯੂ ਲਿਸਨ so that you can get to know things better. Hearing ਨਾਲ ਸਿਰਫ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਟਰ ਕਰਦਾ, that is hearing. Mentally we may be somewhere else in hearing. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੁਣ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸਿਰਫ ਸੁਣ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਤਾਂ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਕੁਛ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਬੋਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, that is hearing. But ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਬਾਹਰ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਜਾਂ ਮੈਂਟਲੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਲਾਸਰੂਮ 'ਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋ ਹਲੇ, that is hearing, just hearing. But when you listen, it requires your complete attention. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣੋਗੇ ਕਿ ਕਹਿ ਕੀ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ, ਉਸ ਦੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਸਮਝ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣੋਗੇ, that is listening. So you then listening skill ਕੀ ਹੈ? Listening skill ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, because for any skill you have to give a test.
Yes.
But when you give a test, you have to be completely, thoroughly focused on that test. So ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ complete attention ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, that is listening. So the difference is hearing is listening is more than hearing. It is attentive hearing.
मैम इस स्लाइड चों अगर मैं कोई 2 points बच्चों ਨੂੰ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ I think focused and complete attention.
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
ਇਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੰਡਰਲਾਈਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਬਲਕਿ ਲਿਖ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, because if you want to master this skill ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਐਸੀ ਕਲਾ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਡਾਂਸਿੰਗ ਹੈ, ਸਿੰਗਿੰਗ ਹੈ, these are skills, you have to master them with practice. So what are the steps of listening? ਕਿਹੜੇ-ਕਿਹੜੇ steps ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ? Hearing is a part of listening.
Like we just discussed.
Please understand this thing. Hearing is not listening, but listening involves hearing. Hearing ਤਾਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਹੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ. You first, your ears receive the information. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਵਾਜ਼, sounds ਪੈਂਦੇ ਹੈ. Words, message, sentences, whatever, ਜੋ ਵੀ ਸੁਣ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. Your ears receive them. Then your mind filters. ਅਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਕੁਝ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਆ, ਸਾਡਾ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ, ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੋਕਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ, ਅਟੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. ਇਫ ਯੂਰ ਅਟੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ ਫੋਕਸਡ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਚੋਂ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਪੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਲਟਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਕੰਪਰੀਹੈਂਡ, ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਰੋਗੇ what is being said, and then remember some of the points, important points, and then respond ਦੋ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. It can be in the spoken form or in the written form depending upon the situation. For example, very soon we'll be doing a listening test. ਉਹਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਡ ਹੋਏਗਾ that will be written. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੱਗੇ question paper display ਹੋਏਗਾ. You will hear and then write the answers. But when you're speaking to someone, ਕੋਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੁਣ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, and then how will you respond? You will give an answer. So this is general. This is not about the test. It is about general listening. You hear and then you filter, comprehend, remember and respond. This is related to general listening practice. But as we have seen, as you all must have realized, कि साडी ਜਿਹੜੀ listening skill है वो ਇੰਨੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ developed नहीं है. रीजंस ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ हैं? जिस रूम 'ਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ listening skill ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, there may be noise there. This noise may be created by you yourself by talking to each other, or it can be from the outside. Both of the noise you have to control. This is your duty when you are appearing for this test, that assure that there is no noise.
At least within the classroom.
At least within the classroom, noise nahi hoega. Interruptions can be there, somebody coming from outside. So make sure, write down clear instructions outside that nobody should disturb these sessions. क्योंकि एक बारी थोड़ा link टूट गया, you will not be able to understand the next point.
And even एक question miss हो सकता है.
Miss हो सकता है, pace miss हो जाता है. And your own attention may be not be full. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੀ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਉੱਧਰ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਹੈ. ਆਈਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਹੈ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਇਨਵੋਲਵਡ ਹੈ. ਦਿਸ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ. ਐਂਗਜ਼ਾਇਟੀ, ਕੁਝ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਲੈਂਦੇ. ਇਟਸ ਅ ਫੋਰਨ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ਬਹੁਤ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਹੈ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਸ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. that anxiety may be there. And lack of practice तो है ही. If you don't practice for any skill, if you don't practice, you will not be able to master it.
And time constraints है. If you don't listen properly, थोड़ी speed ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਬੋਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਦੇ.
And that will lead to again
writing
anxiety.
the speed, that again leads to anxiety.
And negative attitude. Some people say, why to do it? क्या जरूरत है? पास ही होना है. दिस इज नेगेटिव माइंडसेट.
या मेरे तो होना ही नहीं. ये किਵੇਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ?
पहले माइंड च बिठा लेने कि it is difficult, I will not be able to do it. Whereas it is a skill, it is a technique which you can master. And even those students, let me make it very clear, even those students who are not good in studies or in English can do very well in this test just by mastering the technique. ਇਹਦੀ ਟੈਕਨੀਕ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਕੇ ਕਰੋ, ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਐਂਡ ਇਨ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਇੰਪਰੂਵ ਯੋਰ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਿਦ ਮੋਰ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ. ਹਾਊ ਟੂ ਇੰਪਰੂਵ ਲਿਸਨਿੰਗ ਕੰਪਰੀਹੈਂਸ਼ਨ?
ਫਸਟ ਆਫ ਆਲ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਮਾਈਂਡਸੈਟ ਹੋਣਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ, ਤਾਂ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ I can. Believe in yourself, say I can do it, and you will definitely be able to do it. ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਾਂਗੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਹੋਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਪੋਸਿਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ.
In every work, in every field, this is right in every field of life.
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਜੀ.
Examination days ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਗਰ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਲਗਾ ਲਓ, yes I can improve my score, then start doing anything. ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ always start every work with I can.
Do it in small steps. ਥੋੜਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਾਂਗੇ, at least do it. ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਭੱਜੋ ਨਾ, ਕਰੋ. I can do it, मन ਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ ਤਕੜੇ ਹੋ and begin. Well begun is half done. So you have to begin yourself. So train your ears by listening to news in English and listening to audios in English. ਹਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ you listen to the news. ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ even otherwise ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ newspaper headlines ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ, they'll be able to do those also.
Here I would like to add, ਬੱਚੋ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੇਮ ਚੀਜ਼ ਡੇਲੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਔਰ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ, ਇਟ ਬਿਕਮਸ ਮੋਨੋਟਨਸ. ਫॉर एग्जांपल ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੋਜ਼ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਬੈਠ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਦੋ ਦਿਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ, ਮੋਨੋਟਨਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ. then what to do, bring variety in your practice. ਕਿਸੇ ਦਿਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਸੁਣ ਲਓ, ਕਦੀ even English song ਸੁਣ ਲਓ. and any ਤੁਸੀਂ everybody uses smartphones nowadays, right? You can download very good videos, very good audios and daily do a different thing. Variety ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਓ listening ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. in that way you can break the monotony. ਫਿਰ daily ਇੱਕ new enthusiasm ਹੋਏਗਾ and you can do this practice at least for 20 minutes a day. Download karke rakh lo. You can take the help of your teachers. They can guide you what kind of material can be downloaded, what kind of audios are good for you, and you can listen to them. Aur idha ek aur bhi hai, you don't have to drop other activities. Tusi kuch aur kam kar rahe ho, you are doing something with the help of earphones. Like what I do is while I listen while driving, so I make use of that time. So you can use that time with the help of your mobile phones. So bring variety to your listening practice.
Then comes practice. Listen to a word or a sentence, repeat it, say it aloud to practice. Here ਜੇ listening ਦੀ ਆਪਾਂ comprehension ਦੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ words ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ pronunciation ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ.
Yes, very important.
And also the spelling. So you have to do quite a few things. एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट भी उन्नियां चीज़ां च होएगी. इवन स्पेलिंग्स च इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जूगी, लिसनिंग दी हो जूगी. यू विल बी प्रोनाउंसिंग द वर्ड्स इन अ बेटर वे, इन अ करेक्ट वे you will be pronouncing. So listen to a word or a sentence, repeat it, use it in your day-to-day language, say it aloud to practice, and then that will be your word. You will be able to use it anytime you like. Read as much as you can to improve your vocabulary. Be attentive, relax, and focus while listening to the audios.
This is very important. We are again and again laying stress on this point that while you are listening to the audio, be very attentive. But sit not with your tense face and anxious mind. Relax. Be attentive, relax, and focus. And practice for at least 20 minutes every day. Now we'll be doing a listening test, and in a listening test you will be given a question paper. At present this question paper will be on the screen. You will listen to an audio based on a chapter of your English textbook, and you have to answer the questions as you listen. Naal di naal answer likhoge, and the audio will be played once only. And some tips, these are the repetitions, but again we have to reinforce it. Listen for names, places, dates, mobile numbers, address. Make notes on the question paper. This you can do when the question paper is in your hands. And it's a multitasking. ਤੁਸੀਂ audio ਸੁਣ ਵੀ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ questions ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਵੀ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਔਰ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ answers ਆਪਣੀ ਕਾਪੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ.
Ma'am, here at times I suggest ਜਦੋਂ ਸੁਣ ਰਹੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਉਹ ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਤਾਂ I suggest what I do it in class sometimes. I tell the students ਕਿ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਫਟਾਫਟ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਲਿਖ ਲਓ at least ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਉੱਥੇ. But when we give you the time to answer the question, then you can write the correct spelling there.
Yes.
When we say check your answers, there they can write, at least write the name. ਜੇ spelling ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਤਾਂ you can write it. You have listened to it and you can write it. Then you can give the correct spellings.
Here I would like to make it clear ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਲਿਖੋਗੇ ਤੇ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਣਗੇ. It is just for your benefit ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਉਹਦੇ ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਾ ਵੇਸਟ ਕਰਨਾ,
ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਗਲਾ ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗ ਮਿਸ, ਅਗਲਾ ਵਰਡ
you will
ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਮਿਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ,
ਗੈਪ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਨਸਰ ਲਿਖ ਲੈਣਾ. Then pay attention to the keywords. ਇਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪੜ੍ਹਨੇ ਨੇ. ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ instructions ਸੁਣਨ ਦੀ ਆਦਤ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਘੱਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, but instructions are very important. written instructions as well as spoken
Spoken
instructions. For example, no more than 3 words ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ no more than 3 words ਹੀ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ. ਐਂਡ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਇੰਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ 3rd ਔਰ 4th ਪੁਆਇੰਟ 'ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ. One are the written instructions और दूसरियां ने oral instruction ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਣਗੀਆਂ. And again अगर instructions लिखा है ABC लिखना है then don't write the actual answer, write only the letter. और 6th point is अगर ਤੁਹਾਡਾ आंसर मिस हो गया है ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੋਚਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਾ.
Don't lose the pace of the speaker by thinking about it. You will miss the next answers. Come back to it later on. Then next, don't leave blank spaces. Guess and write as there is no negative marking. You can make a guess because this is from your text only.
Text, bilkul. Do not focus on the words. It's very important that if you do not understand a word, instead of focusing on that word, focus on the words you understand. जिन्हां दी समझ आ रही है वो ज़्यादा important है. अगर कोई वर्ड नहीं समझ आ ਰਿਹਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੇਸਟ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਔਰ ਘਬਰਾ ਵੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਉਹਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਰਡ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਦਾ ਕੰਟੈਕਸਟ ਤੋਂ ਗੈਸ ਲਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਐਂਡ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਇਟਸ ਨਾਟ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ important to translate everything. अगर तुसी ओदी अपने माइंड च पंजाबी ट्रांसलेट करन लग जाओगे again you will lose the pace. Listen and write. Don't try to translate everything. Just listen. Listen means listen. So now a small listening test of 20 marks. There will be 2 sections, section 1 and section 2 from your book. Please write down the numbers. अपने क्विकली अपनी कॉपीज ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ नंबर्स लिख लो 1 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 20 तक 1 to 20. Section 1 listening test. You will hear a conversation between narrator and the 2 boys Nicola and Jacopo in the lesson 2 Gentlemen of Verona. Before you listen to the conversation, you have some time to read the questions and write no more than 2 words or numbers for each answer. Please read the questions. Now listen to the conversation and write the answers in your notebooks. Why are you out so late, Nicola?
Waiting for the last bus from Padua. We shall sell all our newspapers when it comes in.
You must be working very hard. You both look very tired.
We are not complaining, sir.
Nicola, the way you and Jacopo work, you must earn quite a bit. You spend nothing on clothes. You eat little enough. When I see you have a meal, it's usually black bread and figs. Tell me, what do you do with your money? You must be saving up to emigrate to America.
We should greatly like to go to the States, sir, but here at present we have other plans.
Plans? What plans?
Just plans, sir.
Well, we are leaving on Monday. Is there anything I can do for you before we go?
Sir, every Sunday we make a visit to the country to Paletta, 30 kilometers from here. Usually we hire bicycles, but tomorrow, since you are so kind, you might send us in your car.
I have already told Luigi he might have the Sunday off. However, I will drive you out myself.
We could not think of troubling you, sir.
Oh, it won't be any trouble.
Very well, thank you.
This is the end of the conversation. You have some time to check your answers.
We can discuss the answers.
Okay, let's check the answers. Give yourself 1 mark for one correct answer. First answer is last bus. Second is newspapers. Third, nothing. Fourth, black bread. Fifth, figs. Sixth, America. But even if you have written states, then also it is correct. क्योंकि अमेरिका भी बोला गया सी, states भी बोला गया सी, तो अमेरिका भी ठीक है, states भी ठीक है, STATES. Seventh is every Sunday. Eighth is 30 kilometers. Ninth, bicycles. 10th, car. If you want, we can read the sentences once again. Two brothers.
मैम
हाँ जी।
जिथे आंसर्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉੱਪਰ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ no more than 2 words or numbers for each answer. So 2 words ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀ ਜਾਂ 2 numbers ਜਾਂ ਇੱਕ word ਇੱਕ number ਜਿਵੇਂ 30 kilometers ਸੀ.
Right.
So that was 2 words or numbers.
So 2 brothers were waiting for the
Last bus,
from Padua, had to sell,
newspapers,
spent,
nothing on clothes,
ate,
black bread and figs for a meal,
were suggested to emigrate to,
America,
made a visit to the country.
30 kilometers.
Now, Poletta was 30 kilometers away.
Okay, the country is every Sunday.
Every Sunday. Usually they go to Poletta on hired.
Bicycles,
Wanted the narrator to send his.
car.
So, hope you scored well in the test. Ready for the next one? Section 2. Let's move on.
Now you will hear an audio and you will have to answer the questions as you listen. The audio is from the chapter Poli and you have to answer the questions from 11 to 20. You've already written the numbers? Yes, if you've done it, so we will start the audio now.
Before we start the audio, please read the paragraph. It's a gap fill activity. Gap fill in the blanks ਵੀ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ. It's a gap fill activity and you have to write no more than 2 words. ਪਿਛਲੀ exercise numbers allowed ਸੀ, ਇੱਥੇ words ਹੈ. Please read the paragraph. Why we tell every time to read the questions first? Because you get prepared for the answers. ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ guess ਲਗਾ ਕੇ, ਥੋੜਾ ਅੰਦਾਜ਼ਾ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਮਾਈਂਡ 'ਚ ਬੈਠ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਲਿਸਨਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਫੋਕਸਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਸਟ ਨਾ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰੋ. ਸੀਰੀਅਸਲੀ ਥੋਰੋਲੀ ਰੀਡ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰੋ. ਨਾਓ ਆਈ ਗਿਵ ਯੂ ਸਮ ਟਾਈਮ ਟੂ ਰੀਡ ਦਿਸ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ. Okay, so let's start the test. Section 2, a paragraph from the lesson Poli. Nambardar Ramlal had 7 children, 3 sons and 4 daughters, and the youngest of them was Poli. It was a prosperous farmer's household, and there were plenty to eat and drink. All the children except Poli were healthy and strong. The sons had been sent to the city to study in schools and later in colleges. Of the daughters, Radha, the eldest, had already been married. The second daughter, Mangala's marriage had also been settled, and when that was done, Ramlal would think of the third, Champa. They were good-looking, healthy girls, and it was not difficult to find bridegrooms for them. But Ramlal was worried about Poli. Her real name was Sulekha, but since her childhood, everyone had been calling her Poli the simpleton. She had neither good looks nor intelligence. She was the 4th daughter of Ramlal. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the cot on her head, and perhaps it had damaged some part of her brain. That was why she remained a backward child and came to be known as Poli the simpleton. At birth, the child was very fair and pretty. But when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. Only the eyes were saved, but the entire body was permanently disfigured by deep black pock marks. Little Sulekha could not speak till she was 5, and when at last she learnt to speak, she stammered. The other children often made fun of her and mimicked her. As a result, she talked very little.
This is the end of the test. Please check your answers.
Children, don't leave any blank space. Guess karo or complete karo.
Because you must have read this lesson by now. Everybody has.
Let's check the answers. 11th, youngest. 12th, healthy. 13, Sulekha. 14, simpleton. 15, 2 years. 16, smallpox. 17, disfigured. 18, pockmarks. 19, stammered. 20, made fun. Now let's read the paragraph once again with the with the filled blanks. Polly was the
youngest of all her siblings. All the children except Polly were healthy and strong. Polly's real name was Sulekha, but since childhood, everyone had been calling her Polly the Simpleton. At birth, she was fair and pretty, but when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. Here I'd like to discuss number 15 because upar question de vich instruction is no more than 2 words.
Yes,
so
words
we have to
will be.
write words. TWO2YEARS years. ਉੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ 2 ਦੂਸਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਵਾਲਾ
Yes,
because
that
it
is-
is written 2 words.
that is why we lay stress on this कि read the instructions carefully. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ numbering वाला 2 पाओगे that would be wrong.
Hanji. She had an attack of smallpox. The entire body was permanently disfigured by deep black pock marks. She stammered while speaking, so the other children often made fun of her and mimicked her. As a result, she talked very little.
So अपने मार्क्स ਨੂੰ ਟੋਟਲ ਕਰੋ section 1 और section 2 टोटल करो अपने मार्क्स ਨੂੰ and get your score signed by the teacher who is present.
And one thing I'll like to discuss with you students here is that ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਵਾਲਾ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਸੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ they were coming at a regular pace. But ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਦੇਰ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਆ ਗਏ ਫਿਰ ਕੁਝ ਦੇਰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਲ ਅਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ you have not to panic there ਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ
ਮੈਮ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ 2 ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਕੁਝ ਬੱਚੇ ਤਾਂ ਪੈਨਿਕ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਕੁਝ
ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਲੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ
they start
ਤਾਂ
talking to
ਐਕਚੁਅਲ
each other.
ਆਨਸਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਿਸ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ
You cannot lose your attention even for a single second.
you have to stay focused for all the time.
Eyes on the question, ears listening and hands busy in writing. ਇਹ 3 activities ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ 4th ਕੋਈ ਵੀ activity ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰੋਗੇ then you yourself will be responsible for your low score. So again and again we are saying this thing, please be attentive and focused. So before we wind off, let's discuss once again the points we discussed in the beginning. Why listening is important. Now you
2
have
ears and 1 mouth.
this is a life lesson also. Remember, God, and it's not that we are saying this. God has given us 2 ears to listen and 1 mouth to speak. So listen more and speak less, but speak well.
Speak well.
We want
and
you to speak well.
now we also want them to speak more. But even then, they have to listen more to speak more.
If you want to improve your spoken English, you have to listen to English.
And then if they want to speak and listen, vocabulary is most important,
Very
which
much.
comes from reading.
Reading.
So you can't leave one thing and do the other.
This is all interconnected.
Very,
That's why we say
very much.
LSRW. You cannot write a good essay or a good paragraph without vocabulary.
Bilkul.
So vocabulary is very important for listening.
So each skill is as important for the other skill to improve.
So before we finish off, a positive mindset. This is for every activity. You must have a positive mindset. Now this change has come in our education system that listening and speaking have become a part of the curriculum. Don't take it in the negative form. Take it in a very positive form. This is going to definitely improve your language proficiency. ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ improvement definitely ਆਏਗੀ.
And you have not to say कि ਉਹ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ. We can.
Everyone
we will.
can.
I
Everyone
can. You can. And we all can. So together, if we are determined, we can.
We can.
And
All of
you
us
all
we
have to say, I can, and together we have to say, we can. So we will be doing it together, and say it again, we can. All the best. See you till next time.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Take care of yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, keep improving, and happy learning. Thank you.